Meijiu Lighting.
And this is Ruby.
Yes, and today we would like to recommend the new model design in this year. This model is F6160. Yeah.
480
with
watts
480
LED
watts.
driver.
Yeah.
Okay, now
Now let's go to this light.
Okay, as you can see, the whole light, it looks like made by gold. I have a question, Jessica.
Yeah.
Why this girl light look like golden color? What's the meaning of the
That's why us make it with the gold color. It's not black or silver color because the gold color in Chinese it means the harvest season is that, and our blinds can make you to get more and more harvest. And this light can help you to control this blast. Yeah.
Wow. It sounds so meaning for our viewers. Okay, and we can see this whole light has 6 bars. Each bar made by Samsung chips $301H diodes and with the deep red 660nm diodes.
Yes. Now let me show you so clearly. Yeah, you can see.
Yes. Okay.
And this is the Samsung chips, and this one is the right chips. Yes. As you can see, this light is the foldable design. You can see this is the corner. Yeah, this is our corner. You can fold it with 118 degrees.
Yes. Yeah. It's very easy to install.
Yes, sure. Ruby, can you introduce the LED driver for us?
Yeah, sure. This 480 watts LED grow light with standard Inventronics DRIVER, two pieces Inventronics 240 watts driver. And it with the IP67 waterproof wire connection.
IP67 waterproof.
Yes. Okay. It made the lights more safe and handy by use. And then the light with the RJ port dimmer.
Yes, this is a huge upgrade of our light.
Yeah, it supports this change and can control the light through 0 to 100 dimming. Okay, I will show you how it works, and I will turn on the light. Now I will turn on the light.
Wow. You can see one is control 3 bars and another one is control another 3 bars.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's very handy for using. Okay. Okay. Now I have turned off the light. Okay. Okay. This is our 480 watts. Jessica?
Yeah.
If I have a 4x4 grow tent, how many lights do I need?
The best coverage for 4x4 grow tent is just need one light because the size of this tent is 800 by 800 millimeters. So it's very perfect for one 4x4 grow tent area.
It sounds perfect.
Yeah.
If you really interested in our 480 watts LED grow light, you can search Meijiu from Alibaba, and then you can find our store. And if you want to know more information,
yes, you can tap the message to us or send an email to us. Yeah, and we will send you the more details and the price to you.
And made a quotation, and or you have another requirement, just tell us.
Yes, tell Jessica and tell Ruby.
Okay.
Yeah, both is okay. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So this is it. This is today
our live stream. So if you like it, just give us a thumbs up. On the video. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Bye.